Number 5. The Mido Ocean Star 200C is a robust and stylish diver's watch that combines Swiss precision with modern design, making it a reliable companion for underwater adventures as well as everyday wear. Built with a solid stainless steel case and a ceramic unidirectional rotating bezel, it offers durability and scratch resistance while maintaining a sleek aesthetic. Its water resistance of up to 200 meters ensures it can handle serious diving conditions, while the screw-down crown and caseback provide added security against water intrusion. Number 4. The Mido Commander. Gradient is a striking timepiece that stands out with its bold design and sophisticated engineering, making it a true representation of Swiss craftsmanship fused with modern flair. Its most distinctive feature is the transparent gradient dial, which subtly transitions from smoky black at the edges to a clear center, revealing the finely crafted automatic movement beneath and allowing wearers to appreciate the intricate mechanics that power the watch. Housed in a durable stainless steel case with a polished finish. Number 3. The Mido Baroncelli Heritage Gent is a refined timepiece that captures the essence of classic elegance. Designed for those who value timeless style and precision in watchmaking, its slim stainless steel case with a beautifully polished finish gives the watch a sleek and sophisticated profile that sits comfortably on the wrist, making it perfect for both formal occasions and everyday wear. The dial is clean and understated, adorned with fine Dauphin-style hands, slender hour markers, and a discreet date window at 6 o'clock. Number 2. The Mido Multifort. Patrimony is a timepiece that beautifully blends vintage-inspired design with modern Swiss precision, offering a watch that is both elegant and enduring. Its round stainless steel case carries a refined polished finish, while the domed sapphire crystal enhances its retro charm, evoking the spirit of classic mid-20th century watchmaking. The dial is a standout feature, adorned with a subtle gradient effect and a pulsometer scale around the edge, a nod to historical timepieces once used by doctors, adding both character and functionality. Slender hands, finely applied indexes, and a date display at 6 o'clock provide clarity and balance, while superluminova coating ensures visibility in low-light conditions. At its core, the Multifort Patrimony is powered by the advanced caliber 80 automatic movement, delivering exceptional accuracy and an impressive 80-hour power reserve, allowing wearers to enjoy long stretches of use without needing to wind it. The transparent caseback reveals the intricacies of this movement, showcasing Mido's dedication to craftsmanship. Paired with a supple leather strap that complements its vintage appeal, the watch exudes sophistication and comfort. The Mido Multifort Patrimony is not only a celebration of heritage, but also a versatile and reliable companion for modern enthusiasts who appreciate the seamless union of tradition, elegance, and technical mastery. Number 1. The Mido Ocean Star GMT is a remarkable diver's watch that combines robust performance with the practicality of dual time zone functionality, making it an ideal choice for both adventurers and frequent travelers. Crafted from stainless steel with a polished and satin finish, the case houses a unidirectional rotating ceramic bezel that ensures durability and scratch resistance while enhancing its sporty aesthetic. The dial is designed for maximum clarity, featuring bold, luminous hands and indexes that guarantee legibility in dark underwater conditions.